Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the Outlook version so settings match. Open Outlook now and make sure other mail apps are closed. Once done, go to File Options if you're on desktop, or to Settings Mail Layout in web. This prevents confusion between clients and ensures changes apply where you intend. Back up any unsent drafts. Changing read behavior won't delete mail, but it's smart to save work. Now proceed to the View or Mail settings to find reading pane options. You need to locate the reading pane settings. This is where Outlook marks messages as read. On desktop, go File Options Mail Reading Pane and uncheck anything like Mark Item as read when viewed in the reading pane. If there's a delay box, set it to 0 or leave unchecked. On the web, open Settings, view all Outlook settings, Mail Layout Reading Pane, and turn off auto marking. Doing this stops accidental reads when you preview a message. You finish by saving and applying the changes, then restart Outlook or refresh the web client to ensure they take effect. Test immediately. Preview a message and then open it. If it stays unread until you explicitly mark it, you're done. If auto-read continues, clear the cache, disable unnecessary add-ins, and check mobile or other clients syncing with the same account. Make sure they aren't remarking messages. Finally, verify account rules. Some rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.